Today we're showing you a 2013 New Holland T5.105. It's a four-wheel drive cab tractor with a New Holland 825 TL quick attach front loader. Tractor has just under 300 hours on it, so it's a very, very low hour tractor. The tractor also is pre-def. It does not require def, but the engine will regen, so it will go through a regen process, but again does not require def. Has a New Holland 825 TL front loader, has a skid steer style quick connect for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. As you can see, paint's excellent on the tractor and loader. Work lights and mirrors on the cab. Has the corner post exhaust. Trelleborg radial tires, which are in good shape. 2 sets of rear wheel weights. I believe the wheel or the tires are loaded as well, but double check the listing on that. Has the PTO and the 3-point switches in the fender. Telescopic 3-point arms. Capable of doing 540 and 1000 PTO. Has the triple rear remotes back here. This is a tractor built in Italy, so it is the better version of these tractors. Front and rear wiper, front and rear work lights in the cab there. Just a very, very clean tractor. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. Does have the Deluxe air ride seat that also is heated, so you get a heated seat. Also has the Deluxe joystick for your loader. It's integrated right onto the armrest of the seat there. Buddy seat here to the left. It's got the hand park brake, 12-speed transmission, 3 ranges down below, 4 gears up top there, and then your powered reverser here to the left. You can change direction without clutching. Individual brakes, foot throttle, and clutch pedal down below. Over here to the right, you've got your 4-wheel drive switch, differential lock switch, power reverser reactivity switch, and then your, I'm not quite sure what that PTO knob is there. Your PTO engagement is this guy right here. 3-point controls over there to the right. 3 levers there operate your rear remotes, and then your 3-point controller also right there within easy reach. Also has the climate controls, light switches, wiper switches, that type of thing in the post there. Radio has the Bluetooth capabilities. And again, very nice tractor inside and out. We do take trades. We also offer trucking and financing. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. Can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us. These low hour pre-def tractors are getting very scarce. Again, only 280 hours here. This one definitely is worth a look.